What's up, guys? This is B-Side Investing. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please feel free to like and subscribe. And this is our 100K challenge, so let's get into it. So we are looking at Bingo, up 10% almost. Currently down 50.5% after hours. Really looking good. Today it seems like almost all of the speculative stocks were kind of doing really good. As you can see, like Sands, Oxygen, these guys are up 17%, and in general, most of the stocks were up like 7, 8, 10%, and then we have like blockchain stocks that were up. Some were up like 30%, some were up 20%. So yeah, so let's get into it, right? So Bingo, they had an announcement today about sites, as in the NHS, National Health System. Some of the sites in the UK are adopting the Sapphire system for OGM. I'm not gonna get too into it. You can just do your own reading here, because I'm not gonna act like I understand most of the technical terms there. So just gonna move along. And if you want detailed analysis of Bingo, there's some YouTubers that just do Bingo stocks, so you can just find that there. Right, so today we are not down, we are up actually 3%. I thought we'd be up more, but it's because of the crypto stocks that are heavily influences this portfolio. So because Bitcoin was down today, it's currently going down more to below $55,000. It seems like there's a separation between Ethereum and Bitcoin. I'm not talking about the price, I'm talking about the chart movement and the buying and the selling that's going on. If you look at it, like usually it's really close, but Ethereum is just $150 behind. It's just shy of its all-time high, and Bitcoin is almost like 10K. Yeah, almost exactly 10K. Like it's almost 10K behind. So there's a huge discrepancy there. I think we might see some separation here from Ethereum, and just like pull away from Bitcoin maybe. So we'll see how that goes. Right. So with the portfolio, we're doing good. Let's see here. So Bitfarms did good. Today 6%. Bingo was up 9%. Banxa was up 16%. So Banxa, we don't own much shares in Banxa yet. Overall, we're still just down 2%. Average price at 624, so that's good. These guys are recovering. When I bought them, they still were in the downtrend. They were still going down. So it's at least nice to see them pull back a little bit. Not sure how long this is going to last. It might just be a facade. It might just be a mirage, but hopefully this is the end. Maybe I thought we had maybe like 2-3 more weeks until we start actually seeing some movement upward movements. But today is just a nice, I guess, break. But yeah, so Coinbase is down. That's weird. I mean, it makes sense. I mean, Bitcoin did go down, but Coinbase wasn't really following Bitcoin though. So I guess we're seeing some influence there now. So DeFi, really wanted to buy in, but it's up 21%. That's just ridiculous. For those of you who don't know what that is, it's DeFi. It's a decentralized finance technology. Really, really bullish on that. It's one of the drivers for Ethereum price. I think it's like 80% of the driver. Yeah, and then we have NFTs, and then the other one was stablecoins. So yeah. DigiHost, not much movement today. 1.5, still good. DMG was up, 24%. We don't own much shares yet, right? So our average price was 165, and it's at 171. So we're currently doing good. So 3%. That's good. Okay, so let's see. DeFi, DeHouse, GMG, Galaxy. It's weird. Galaxy actually did worse than Hive or HUT today. That's weird. Usually when Bitcoin price goes down, it's Galaxy that's kind of like stable. It's really like unpredictable stock. Like I can't seem to understand this thing's movement. Sometimes it goes up all the way to $40 and then it comes all the way down to 30 and then just shoots up right back up. So it's weird. Hive is really weird right now because the Ethereum price went up about a $400-500 from close yesterday to close today. So yeah, I don't know. Should be up more. Like it should have just done this right here and stayed above the close of what was it, $4? Close of $4. Yeah. So right, I think Hive is our biggest right now. Oh no, HUT is. Okay, so HUT. Hive. We did have some news with Hive. They are doing the presentation tomorrow, so if you want to check it out, there's a bunch of links here. So, and then they have the other one where they completed the share swap pretty much with DeFi technologies. I think I'm gonna do a video on that because there's a lot to go over here. This thing is way too long for me to cover in this video, so I think a separate video, a standalone, will make at least 10-15 minutes, and I don't want this to cross 10 minutes from now on, so I'll try to make this quick. Okay, so let's see what else we got here. We did DMG. Next, let's see. Mogo was a surprise today. I don't own Mogo yet, but I've been waiting to get into Mogo. They're doing the acquisition of Mocha, which is a kind of like an investment. Like you do your spare change for every transaction that you do, and then that spare change gets put into Mocha, and then Mocha you can just invest through Mocha. That's what that is, and it's a good way for people to start investing who hasn't done it yet. Just get their feet wet, and then yeah. So there wasn't any more news with Mogo. It's kind of similar to other companies here. Not much news, but they're kind of running up. I mean, these are kind of high risk, high reward stocks, so they will do huge 15-20% up and then go down 15-20%. So you just got to be able to stomach it. You just got to be able to take it if you are investing in these companies. Yeah, so let's see. Mogo was one. And then Neptune was up almost $10, 10%, sorry. We're still down 5%, but it didn't really go down that much. Yeah, it didn't go down that much. So, really good buying opportunity here. Neptune Digital. It says very volatile, but that's true. Okay, so overall we're kind of recovering a little bit. I mean, we're only up 3%, but it's a good sign. The stocks that were really, really high up today was the speculative, like kind of low investment stock. So hopefully we see the Bitcoin price kind of move up. If you're invested and you hold Bitcoin, I would there's not financial advice, but if I had Bitcoin, I would put them in cold storage and just forget about it for a few years. Because right now there's just a lot of scare tactics that's going on, and then the price goes down drastically, like that happened over the weekend, and people kind of just panic and just sell it. If you're really going to panic like that, then you probably shouldn't own Bitcoin. I mean, like, why would you do that, right? So, that's it. That's my perspective, at least. If you want to buy Bitcoin, just hold it for long term and just don't even think about it. Just at least, or stake it and make some 8-9% from BlockFi and Voyager and these other companies that do kind of like these staking things. You can make money off of that. Like, that's a really good way to do it too. Just forget about selling it, because there's only a limited amount. There's only 21 million out there, and in a few, and in a decade, this thing's going to be a lot more valuable. Right now, if you don't need this cash for emergencies, then just leave it. So that's what I would do, right? So yeah, so I'm expecting this thing to go up. I'll probably put in some cash maybe next week. We'll see how it goes. So what I would buy next week is I will add a sizable position in where to go, DeFi, and I will add some more into, if Bitfarm stays in around 450, then I'll add more in Bitfarm. Census, I think I'm just gonna keep it there. I could just lower the average, but this thing needs to come up like 100% for me to get break even right now. So it'll do that. It'll just take time, so not really worry about it. Okay, so all right, this thing's going too long. All right, I think that's it for this one. Please feel free to like and subscribe. Please note this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and fact check whatever everyone says on YouTube. So at least you know what you're getting into, right? So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.